guys, it's Ilene here. Welcome to my channel. Today I've got a small Dollar Tree haul that I want to share. Before I get started, I just want to ask you to please subscribe to my channel and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. So guys, I finally got a chance to go to the Dollar Tree and it hasn't been that great for me because I've recently started a new job and by my old work, there was a Dollar Tree I really like to go to, but it's quite far from my home. So I gotta only go to the ones that I can go to and they haven't been bringing me the good stuff. And I also really haven't had time to get over and do much shopping at all because my new job is 5 days a week and it is long hours and it's exhausting, but I'm enjoying it and I know I'm gonna get into the swing of things. But for now, I only have a little bit of stuff, but I thought it was fun and I want to share it with you. So we're going to start off with what was my favorite find, and a lot of people have been hauling these. These are the Eggmen. So these basically say you crack your egg into the little container and then you boil it for I think about 15 minutes here, and then you pop it out and the shell is obviously not there because you've cracked the egg, so it saves all that mess and time peeling your hard-boiled eggs. So I'm definitely going to give my own review on this, and I'm going to try and do this later and get it out to you guys soon because my youngest loves eggs anyway, any shape, any form, so I thought this would be a cool thing to give a shot and try. I also came across these picture frames. They brought them back and I've used up my entire stash of them by recently when I did my glue gun tray. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it below and you guys should go by and see it because I made a really cute glue gun tray using 2 of these and they got them back and you could use them as wall art or you could do DIYs. So I picked these up just to have in my stash. I truly wish they would get those white ones that were a little bigger back that had wine o'clock and other stuff. So I'm still waiting for those to make their turnaround because that's what it seems like the Dollar Tree does. It cycles things in and out. So what's up next is some Halloween stuff. I got these cats, guys, and you might have seen them. These are the wood cats. And you get 5 in here and it comes with a little bit of twine and I thought these would be fun. I don't know if for Halloween or just in general because I truly like cats, as you all know. So I thought I could eventually do something with these. More cats, guys, I know. Halloween is full of cat-themed things and I picked up this Garland here and I think it's really cute and it says Happy Halloween and it's got cats and I believe it also has spiders. So I can't wait to hang this up because I left all my Halloween decor up in the attic this year. I just don't have time to do all that. So I've only been really doing the decorating for fall so I can leave that out till winter and a couple of little Halloween things here and there. So that's why I'm glad to have gotten this and it looks really cute. So I'm going to be putting this up after the video. Bolero got a whole new line of scents and I picked up the hand soaps and these are the coconut and rose milk and they had them in the body oil, they had them in the wipes, they had them in everything. But I really only needed some more hand wash and I do like the way the Bolero lathers. So I figured I'd give their new scent a shot because I have been loving every single scent that Bolero does put out. I also got this e.l.f. highlighter here and I really do like e.l.f. It isn't a pricey brand to begin with, but $1 is definitely a steal. So I grabbed this white pearl highlighter and it says it's number 2116. So I grabbed one of these. I also grabbed some mashed potatoes. These are just regular Idaho potatoes, original, and we like these in my house, and I bought these to go along with the fish I'm gonna be cooking tonight. So we got potatoes. I also came across this really pretty yarn, guys. Look how beautiful this is. I just love the colors on here. And what is this? It's Red Heart Boutique ribbons. And I don't know. It doesn't really have a color, it just has a number, unless marble is the color, not quite sure. But I just really thought this ribbon was gorgeous to do some projects or tassels with. So fall-like and everything, so I grabbed a bundle of this. And I did come across the Crafters Corner, guys, but my Dollar Tree didn't have too much stuff. So I went ahead and I got some fastening dots here. These are the Velcro dots, and these are a good steal for $1. I don't know how sturdy they are, but I'm probably going to use them for paper craft, so I think it will be sufficient. And then I also got the piercing tool here, and it's like a bone folder, and these came with 2. And I thought I could score and have an extra bone folder and score tool and give it a try. You got 2, so 50 cents a piece. And then I grabbed by Jot some more of these binder clips. I like to use these for tassels and stuff. And then I found these stickers here. I don't know if they were new. They were new to me. These cupcakes, and I think they're adorable. And you got 12 cupcakes in the package here. And the last thing I grabbed was an extra pack of this super glue. I always need super glue for something, and my E6000 is almost empty. And to be honest with you guys, I like these better, or the individual E6000s, and I find the super glue just as good as E6000. And I don't like the big tubes because it just gets all gunky and it oozes out, and then it gets hard to squeeze. So I find these a great deal, so I grab them, back up for more DIYs to come. And that's it, guys. I hope you liked my Dollar Tree haul. Let me know what you think down below. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye.